All right, template ad builder here in New Jersey, Homedale, New Jersey. Checking out another place. Prices are high. This one's $129. Very huge place. Friend of mine even knows about this place. They said, you know, they do hay rides. All right, this is $89. We saw was at another place. It was a little bit more, but this is a lot smaller. I do like, you know what? Selection is, wow. Actually, the place is pretty huge. Selection is here. But I'm trying to really save that money, $129. I've found this stuff at Home Depot. I bought one that's even bigger on my own property one time, and it was like $89. But that's at the beginning of the season. You have to find those deals. And that window is so small at Home Depot. You just miss it. Like, I just missed some stuff. I know it. They'll get a weird batch. I guess it gets like thrown in the container or whatever, and then thrown across the country, and then you just miss out on it. If you're not buying it within that first week, you're gonna lose it. And I already did, because I was procrastinating. So, you know, it's weird. A lot of people would like, oh, what do you do every day? You know, I had a routine where I would hit Home Depot, then I would hit Lowe's, and that's just the way I would do it. I'm pretty much filled up with trees and shrubs on my property, but I'm just looking for something very, very exotic. Maybe like 2 or 3 more. I guess this is just like overage. Let's see. Wow, this is a big place. Nice, very nice. Now, let's see. Oh no, they have some more stuff down here. That has to be silly money right there. I will not be able to afford that or put that in the car. So one of the big things for me is trying to cheat. I mean, probably all the landscaping that was done in my place, you know, they would charge probably like 50 grand. I don't know. I've seen craziness like that. So if you do it yourself and you are mindful, $99, you could definitely save a lot of money. Here's the other problem, though, with buying from a place like this. There's no warranty. See, at Lowe's and Home Depot, they give you that year warranty. Now, it is a pain. Have I lost some trees over the years? Yeah. Have I returned some? Yes, I have. I certainly have. But one of the other things is, I definitely know at Lowe's, very close with the nursery manager or the gardening department manager, Lisa, very nice lady. She's able to make deals with me and save me some money. How much is this? Yeah, 99. Everything's kind of like 99, 99, you know. So if you also buy in bulk, they'll give you a good deal. Wow, look at the size of those things. Whew. These are some big trees. Let's see this green giant. These are fat. $249. That's a little pricey, but you know, they also go by the bucket size on the bottom. Actually, I could have just drove down here. It's so big. My goodness. Yeah, I bought a couple like this too. I always find that the soil in them really does suck. It's like clay. Let's see what this guy. Yeah, $149 for that scrawny little guy. Nah, that's too much. Let's see. I think this is probably all the same. It's just bigger, 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 bigger. You know, so it's one of those things.